In 1978, a computer consultant pulled off the largest digital bank robbery in history using nothing but a memorized phone number. Stanley Rifkin worked inside Security Pacific Bank. For months, he watched. He learned. He memorized every wire transfer code and procedure. The bank's $10 million security system couldn't protect against what happened next. On October 25th, Rifkin walked to a payphone outside the bank. He called the wire transfer department and pretended to be a bank official. In 5 minutes, he authorized a transfer of $10.2 million to Switzerland. That same day, he flew to Europe, converted the money to diamonds, and returned to Los Angeles before anyone noticed. The perfect inside job. No alarms, no broken safes, no violence. The FBI had 0 leads, but Rifkin couldn't keep quiet about his masterpiece. He bragged to a friend about the heist. That friend turned him in. The man who fooled an entire bank got caught because he couldn't fool his own ego.